Hello and thank you for coming by to Apis Bull. In this video I am going to talk about setting the parameters and indicators for charting on different chart websites. Right here I have a silver chart, and what we have here is we have a red line, which is the simple moving day average. That is a 4-day moving average, and that is the average price of the last 4 days. And we have the 18-day moving average line. Now the 4-day moving average line is for people who are day traders, and then the 18-day moving average is for those who are swing shifts, who want to hold on to their holdings for like 30 or 60 days. And then we have the 50 and 200 moving day averages, which occasionally I'll use, and that'll tell me where the absolute bottom or top of the market is, rather than hanging on to something just for a couple months. But I would use the 200 moving day average to determine if something is going to be moving long term for years to come. Well, what we have here is the moving averages. So you go down. I always put the links in the description below for the charts that I use and where I get those charts. And this is barchart.com. And at the bottom, you will click on study. Click on the study. Now the thing I like about barchart.com is that they don't limit, at least I haven't figured out that they limit the number of indicators that you can use in the charts. But when you go over to TradingView, it seems like they limit your number of indicators to 3. So as you can see here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I just put this in here, and you can adjust your period timing. So our simple moving day average is 4, and then I have 18, and you can change it to 200, or you can add another one. Just add another one, and it'll pop up, and you tell it what you want, and then you hit the draw button. It draws you a chart. And the one thing I like about this is that you can click on the price box, and you push draw the chart. Is it going to work? That's not going to work. There it is. And then you got this box that shows up. Tells you the date, tells you the highs and lows. And it tells you everything, all the indicators that you have. Every indicator that you have down below is listed in that yellow box. Right here where the funny F symbol is, and that'll bring up all your moving averages, your envelopes, all your money flows, all your MACDs, moving average. Different websites have different names. Some of them are just moving averages. There it is. I don't use exponential or weighted. I just used the moving average. And then when you go up here to the moving average, click on the gear for settings and change it to 18. And then you want the source to be on a close, not on open, high, or anything else. You just want it to close. And you can pick your style. Your color. And that's how you put in your 18-day moving average line. There is the simple beginner's guide, and I'll get into other things later. And I hope you learned something, and thank you for stopping by.